When taking photographs, I use my left eye to look through the viewfinder, so I'm left eye dominant. Now you may be the opposite, but it doesn't really matter. What I'm talking about in this tutorial is your non-dominant eye. When I first started using my camera, I would have my non-dominant eye closed, and I was missing out on a lot of things. Things were happening outside the viewfinder that I wasn't aware of, or I'd get something flying through the frame that I wasn't expecting. So now I shoot with both eyes open, and I'm so much more aware of what's going on around me and what might be just about to enter the frame. So if you do close your non-dominant eye, try shooting with it open. You may start to see things around you that you weren't aware of when using the viewfinder, or you might get lucky and see something that's just about to fly into frame, enabling you to get a photo of that subject or that thing that's flying through the shot. Also, if you're a portrait photographer, in keeping your non-dominant eye open, you can sometimes keep that link that you've built with the person that you're taking a photograph of. This is not always the case, but say sometimes I'm having trouble getting what I want out of the person that I'm taking a photograph of, I'll start to build rapport with that person. And in keeping my non-dominant eye open, I'll keep that rapport going and I'll keep the conversation going. And it means that I'm keeping eye contact even though I'm bringing my camera up in front of my face. Now, do you keep your non-dominant eye open or do you always have it closed? Let me know in the comments below. And if you do keep it closed, try opening it and see if it makes a difference with your photography. For more videos, subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell. Also, head over to my YouTube channel where I have a growing library of photography and videography tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.